Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, we'll be discussing some of the menus and some of the features of the Every Event Delivery web application. So, the Every Event web delivery web application is meant for event planners, event owners, graphic designers who probably would have gotten a contract or more to design a flyer or an event card for an event owner, or probably you are the owner in this case. Um, I would like you to pay attention and follow this video step by step. And if you have any question, reach out to contact at everyeventdelivery. So without further ado, let's jump right into the order of the day. All right. So when you create your account or you log into every event delivery web application for the event owners, event planners, and graphic designers, this is the first screen you get. You get this first screen, and I would like to explain a few section of the screen, the landing page that you get. So I want to pay attention to the first button that is here called Design from Scratch. So let's say you've gone through these quick actions and you want to build your event card from scratch. You want to design it from scratch. This is especially for the designers who would want to get a little bit creative with their work, other than picking up a template that's already been pre-built for them. Then clicking on the design from scratch takes you to the design software to start your design. So when you click on the design from scratch, it takes you first to the blank canvases. So the blank canvases holds all the design canvas and size, right? That's required to design. So the way every event delivery works, it works with canvases. And if you are a designer, you should know what a canvas mean. But if you are not a designer, I would like you to see canvas like a blank screen, a blank sheet of paper that is given to you to do whatsoever you want with it. Let's say you know how to draw. Now everybody knows how to at least do a sketch or draw a map or something, right, on a piece of paper. Now, the design canvas is synonymous with that plain sheet of paper that you start with for every diagram or writing you want to do. Even if you are a writer, even if you have a jotter, that blank jotter that you have, physical paper, is synonymous to the design canvas on every event delivery. So now you want to design. Let's say you want to draw uh, a house plan, right? The size of paper that you're going to use to draw your house plan will be different from the size of paper that you use to draw a simple square shape. I don't know if you get my point. So the size of paper that you're gonna you would require to draw an house plan is different from the size of paper that is largely greater than the size of paper you use to draw a very simple square shape, right? So that is how design canvases also work. Let's say you want to design a simple business card or a simple event card. The size of the canvas will be definitely different from um, the size of the canvas that you would use to design a big display dashboard for adverts. So you can begin to understand what I mean when I say design canvas is synonymous or similar to the plain piece of paper that you use for your everyday jottings and drawings, right? So that is what we are going to be doing when once we are landed on this blank canvas page. So clicking on this design from scratch takes you to the blank canvas. So there are already pre-built blank canvases that is required. right, for the use case of every event delivery, right? So every event delivery has a special use case, the purpose for what it was created, right? And these design canvases have been created to work in that direction, right? So I'm going to be picking, let's say I want to design a simple Facebook post event card, and now I'm going to be using this, right? Facebook post um, landscape or something, right? So I'm going to be, so you can begin to see the size even before opening the design canvas, right? You can see the size of the paper. So this is an A4 paper, right? So you see how it's it's not landscape, right? So you can see this one also, portrait size, wedding invitation, square size card, A5. So you can also, if you can't find anyone you're looking for here, you can also go to the next. We still have I think one also here. So we have graduation, right? So one thing you have to understand is that most event cards are usually in the same standard size. That's why you won't see a lot of canvases here, right? Every event has over 200 templates, pre-built templates that you can choose from. And it might marvel you that all these 200 templates make use of standard sizes. So that's and they make use of the same design canvas that you see here, all 200 templates. So one or two of these design canvases is powering all those templates, right? So this should tell you that um, you don't really need a lot of canvas size. You just need a standard canvas size for what you want, right? You can easily check out what standard canvas size you need on Google, and you can come back here and select the exact size you found. So let me select the landscape. So now you see, clicking on use canvas takes me to the editor with the canvas preloaded for me, right? You can see the same canvas size I selected has been preloaded for me. You can see same canvas size has been preloaded for me. So this is the canvas size I selected, simple Facebook post event card canvas. So now I'm not going to be discussing about the design software, right? Um, in the next video, I'll discuss about the design software. But clicking on this use canvas takes you as a user to the design software. It opens it up in another tab, right? So in the next video, I will discuss about the design software extensively, right? Or in future videos. So you don't want if you don't want to miss that, you might want to subscribe to the Every Event Delivery YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so you can receive the notification whenever we release a new guide or a new video that will help you to understand the software and understand how to make use of the software better, right? So now that is for the design from scratch, right? So let's go back to the landing page and see what else we got there. So we have the notification, right? Clicking on the notification takes you to the notification page, I guess so. You can see, so this is a demo account, and there's already a lot of notifications is on this that's tied to this account, and you don't have to bother about it. But that's how your notification page shows up, right? So we also have the profile or the account drop down. So you can see if you click on it, it shows you profile settings. Clicking on this takes you to the profile settings, by the way. So the profile settings can be located here also, right? So clicking on this takes you to the get help section, and clicking on this signs you out of the software. Now, let's go to the four major tips here. Quick, quick action boxes that we can find on the landing page. So first of all, we have the use template, we have the upload design, the upload and print, and the pickup and delivery. So I'm going to be explaining this in a bit. So first things first, I want you to take note of the search bar that is located here. You can easily use this to search for templates or a canvas or your recent designs. Enter a keyword and click search and it comes up. So the next section, so let me test this out for you for the sake of this tutorial. So you can see searching on it, it shows empty for this first and it shows the design that I searched for. So you can see it means that this keyword cannot be found for this section and for this section. It can be found for this section. So that is how the search works. So let's go back to what we were doing before. So I'll be explaining the use templates, the upload design, and upload and print and pick up and deliver. So hovering on any of these quick action boxes will give you an hint of what this tool is used for. So the first one, use a template. You can see this feature provides you with a pool of already designed, ready to use templates. So clicking on this takes you to the template page. That is what it means. Now the next quick action button, upload your design. This feature allows you to quickly upload PNG, JPEGs, SVG versions of your already designed event card. So this particular feature, if you're a designer, an event owner, and probably you've already gotten a good designer to do your templates for you, to do your event cards for you, but you need every event delivery software to deliver these event cards to your customers, right? To either your event invitees or your customers. You can also use event card to invite your customers. You can also use every event delivery for other things apart from events. You can use it to wish someone an happy birthday, use it to wish for celebrations and a lot of events going on, right? So you can also do this for your customers. So it is not only limited to your events only, right? So let's assume you've got a design. You don't want to use any of these designs here. You've got a good designer who did a perfect and wonderful job for you. But now you would require every event delivery service to deliver this to print the event card and to deliver it to your invitees or your customers or your contacts, right? So what you do, you click on this button, a modal comes up, and you upload your design, right? I'm going to explain these features elaborately in future videos, right? But for now, this is just an overview of what it does, right? So you click and select the picture or image that you wish to upload, then you click on continue and it takes you to the next step and the next step until you're done with the flow, right? So the next button here is upload and print, right? So this feature print allows you to print your event cards and get them picked up or delivered to your guests on the go, right? And on the go, select a printer, upload your event card event card design in any of the following file extensions. So let's say you want to upload your design, print it, and uh, pick it up or deliver to your to your um, to your contact. So by the way, the upload your design doesn't actually give you the ability to deliver the design, but it gives you the ability to upload the design and customize it, right? But the upload and print gives you the ability to upload, customize, print, and deliver. So that is what the upload and print does by from what the int says, right? So the next button here is the pick up and delivery. So every event has a delivery standalone service, right? That you can use to deliver event accessories or anything that concerns your event, right? And that is the essence of this feature, right? So this feature, pickup and delivery, allows you to deliver your event cards, gifts, or items to your guests or your contacts. So you can deliver gifts, gift boxes, a lot of stuff you want to deliver to your guests or to your contact list. You can use this button for it. So clicking on it brings up a folder that contains some some fields that you have to fill up, and when you are done filling them up, um, you can proceed to payment, and this order will be created. And once it has been reviewed and approved, a delivery rider will come pick it up from your pickup destination and get it delivered to the recipient. So I didn't really open up the modal for the upload and print, but I'm going to do that now. So clicking on upload and print, first of all, takes you to the list of printing companies where you can select a printing company first of all. So when you select a printing company, you finish with the printing company selection, and you are sure this is a printing company you want to go with. Then you will be given a form to upload your design. When you upload your design, the design is sent to the printing company for printing, and then you can get it delivered to your contacts. So clicking on this, you can see some printing companies comes up immediately. You can see you can now select. You can first of all, I would advise you to view the catalogs. Right, click on view catalogs to actually see the kind of printing services each of this company offers. But you can also filter by reviews. Right, one review, two review, 2 stars, 4 stars, and upwards. So you can filter to get the best ants for your printing work, and you can also filter by states. If you want it done within the state where you're currently located, you can filter by state. You can also search for your favorite printers. If you have a printer within your locality and you would want to use their service, if they are currently on every event, if they are not, you send them a link to sign up. Once they sign up, you can search for your favorite printers and select them and use their service upfront, right? So yeah, that is the major functions of every event delivery uh, web application for event owners, right? There are other features that are below, like the blank canvas, where you find all the blank. You can click on this and it takes you to similar page like the first one we landed on when we clicked on this design from scratch, right? It opens up the entire all the blank canvas we have on the platform. If you click on the explore event templates, it does the same thing. It opens up all the event templates that we currently have on the platform. Then one last thing I would like to point out is um, the recent design. So if you have done some recent design, you can find it here, right on this landing page, right? You can also click here to see all the recent designs that you've done, all the designs you've done with every event delivery software, right? So that is the brief for the every event delivery software. In for future videos, I'll be talking extensively more about these features and also the other parts of the software which you might want to know about. All right, see you in the next video.